May 20th, 2015, and tonight on the WWE Network, it's NXT TakeOver Unstoppable. I know I'm excited about it, and if you're as excited about it as I am, I've got a couple of podcast recommendations for you. So as preparation for NXT TakeOver Unstoppable, here's a couple of podcasts to listen to. You can also listen to these after NXT TakeOver Unstoppable if you wish. That's your choice. Or maybe you don't even listen to them. But here's the recommendations. Here's a couple of things that I've been listening to. I've listened to them before and gave them a listen again as this event is approaching tonight. So it's The Art of Wrestling with Colt Cabana. And here's the episodes to check out with the opponents. They're going at it tonight. Of course, these guys aren't going against each other, but they are in matches. As Finn Balor, he's in the triple threat versus Tyler Breeze and Hideo Itami, although Hideo Itami is injured and won't be able to compete, so they might have a replacement, or it could just be a one-on-one Breeze versus Balor for the number one spot. But the episode to listen to with Finn Balor is episode 145. I'm going to put a link in the description, also in the annotation. He has it uploaded on his YouTube channel. He just uploaded it within the last day or so. And so you can go there, and it's the most recent upload, or you can just click the link and go to that. And when he conducted the interview, this is when Finn Balor was in Japan wrestling for New Japan Pro. He was wrestling as Prince Devitt. He was with the Bullet Club. So it's definitely very interesting to, check out, the interview with Finn Balor back before he came to NXT. So that's definitely something to listen to. Also, on The Art of Wrestling, Kevin Owens has been a guest twice. Of course, he was a guest as Kevin Steen. That was the name he used to wrestle under before coming to NXT. And he was on episode 50 and episode 150. This is not uploaded to his YouTube channel, but it is on his SoundCloud. If you go to coltcabana.com, I'll put a link to that. If you go there, you go to listen to podcasts, it'll take you to the SoundCloud, and then you just go to episode 150 or episode 50. You're going to have to scroll down quite a bit, but it is definitely worth it. Kevin Steen, at the time, now Kevin Owens, talks about how he learned to speak English by listening to Jim Ross call wrestling matches, and I won't ruin for it, I'll just leave it at that, and you can go check that out. It's definitely a fun listen for sure. And he was on twice, so you got 150 and episode 50 right there to listen to with Kevin Owens, the NXT champion, back when he was known as Kevin Steen before he went to NXT. Then also, Rhino was on episode 76, and you can check that out as well on the SoundCloud. That's not up on the YouTube. He's also on Stitcher, and you can also go to iTunes and subscribe, and you can get it's free episodes, so it doesn't cost anything. It's just a free listen, just a couple of wrestlers talking about what they love to do, and that's entertain people by wrestling in the wrestling ring. So episode 76 has Rhino on it. Also, you have episode 75 has Solomon Crow. Of course, at the time he was known as Sami Callihan. And also 78 has Pac, who is now known as Neville. He used to be in NXT. He was the longest reigning NXT champion, and now he's up on the main roster. So those are a couple of recommendations of podcasts to listen to. And hey, if you're up for it, I would always recommend checking out episodes 18 and 59. Of course, 18 is a little bit hard to find, but you can find episode 59. That's with Domino, or those of you who know him as Cliff Compton. That is definitely a classic episode that you got to check out, episode 59. It's also on 218. I think it was on 118 as well, because going with the theme of 18, he's Mr. 1859. But those are a couple of podcasts to check out as NXT TakeOver Unstoppable approaches. It's my favorite podcast is The Art of Wrestling. I was actually thinking about doing a video where I list off the top 5 or maybe top 10 wrestling podcasts that I enjoy listening to. So check back to the channel for that video as I'll go over that. But I'll tell you right now, spoiler alert, the number 1 podcast is The Art of Wrestling with Colt Cabana. If you haven't heard already, which you probably have, but if you haven't, definitely go give it a listen. It'll definitely be worth it. And you can scroll through. He's interviewed everyone who's anyone in wrestling has been on The Art of Wrestling. I mean, your favorite wrestler more than likely has been on there. I mean, we're talking like Stone Cold. He's had on Daniel Bryan, Dolph Ziggler, Dean Ambrose. I mean, the list goes on and on. You know, Finn Balor, Bullet Club, Neville. I mean, just even right here, the guys I was listing off, you know, Kevin Owens. I mean, he's had on everybody. So, and it's a casual conversation where you actually get to listen to these guys talking in a way that you don't necessarily hear them normally, you know, carrying a conversation, due to most of the things you hear out of wrestlers is very controlled and scripted, whereas here you get to hear them come off the cuff, just off the top of the head, just being themselves, having just a regular conversation as a couple of wrestlers. So it's pretty cool. It's definitely an awesome podcast. Like I said, I recommend checking that out. And as TakeOver Unstoppable approaches, these are a list of a couple of podcasts in particular that I would check out, although I would recommend each and every episode. I know that I've listened to, gotta be at least a couple hundred. I mean, he's up to episode 250, and I've listened to over 200 of them. There's a few of them I haven't heard. I missed a couple of them, but it's just an amazing, excellent podcast that I look forward to every week. So I thought I'd share that with you in these in particular episodes. As I said, it's episode 50 and 150 with Kevin Owens, episode 145 with Finn Balor, and then episode 75, Solomon Crowe as Sami Callihan, episode 76 is Rhino, and then episode 78 is Pac, which is, you know, is Neville. So those are the ones to check out. I'll leave some links in the description and some annotations as well, so you can just go ahead and click on the screen if you wish, or go down to the description, click there, or you can just do a Google search Colt Cabana, go to coltcabana.com, or go to Art of Wrestling, or search even here on YouTube. He has his own YouTube channel. Like I said, I mean, I'm just doing this as a fan. I'm a fan of Colt Cabanas. I'm a fan of the Art of Wrestling. I'm a fan of wrestling in general. I love wrestling. That's why I do this channel. That's why I love talking about wrestling, and I love sharing. So I'm just sharing this with you. Let me know what you think about the Art of Wrestling. Let me know what you think about Finn Balor, Kevin Steen, Neville, Rhino, Solomon Crowe. And let me know what you think about Cliff Compton. Definitely give episode 59 a listen to. You are in for a treat if you have not listened to that one before. It is amazing. So thank you very much for listening. It is appreciated.